Hello there, welcome to ABC News HD Live. With more than 30 dams continuing to disgorge excess water and nearly 120 people have died in the past 3 days when 13 of Kerala's 14 districts continue to be in the grip of calamity. Centre has sanctioned 500 crore relief fund, though Kerala Chief Minister demanded 2,000 crore to keep up this calamity and the situation. Hundreds of volunteers and fish workers in Kerala joined teams from the armed forces. More than 3,14,000 people have been shifted to 2,900 relief camps.
With a series of landslides adding to the destruction here, officials and residents said that Idukki has been cut off from the outside world since Wednesday. Now, until the Thursday night, a ham radio set up at the district headquarters was the only mode of communication for the administration. Road and communication networks have fully collapsed, and the ham radio is being used to pass data on water levels to the state headquarters and disaster management experts, they said. Idukki is the home of the Kakula tourist destinations, Muna and Ted Key, and also of a key dam and the 2 other dams at Kalmaubu and Chotoni, from where water was released for the first time in 26 years this month. North of Nadukani, about 12 kilometers ahead of the district headquarters, a bridge over a forest river at Manunati has been damaged in a landslide. The heavy vehicles are engaged here to remove the blockade, said K.R. Surendran, a local trader. Several other buildings connecting Korea and its territories have also been washed away or remain submerged. On the major road routes through Kottamagallam in Kerala and Kambam in Tamil Nadu have been blocked by landslides. 1 every 2 kilometers, said a revenue official. 2 major routes connecting Munnar to the plains are also damaged, with no vehicle movement for the last 3 days, said officials. Hundreds of people, including tourists, are stuck in Munnar and Adimali, a town on the way to Munnar, said an official at the control room at Taudus Pudsar. Continued to parts of Kerala. Residents of Chalkuti town woke up on Friday to find themselves cut off from the rest of the state as the Eponymous river, swollen by heavy rain in upstream areas and the release of water from dams, breached its bounds. The Paliakara toll plaza was flooded and the traffic along the Manuti Idapali National Highway came to a halt amid a worsening situation in Thrissur. Narendra Modi conducted a survey aerially the flood-hit Kerala on Saturday. More than 160 people have been killed and over 1.5 lakh moved to relief camps in the state. Desperate non-resident Keralites from Australia, the US and the UK were making fervent pleas to authorities through television channels seeking help for their dear ones. Most of the SOS pleas on social media were from friends and relatives. This was perhaps an indication that the victims themselves had no way of seeking help, with their mobile phones having died down and possibly out of airtime credit because power has been switched off in flooded areas.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ അവസ്ഥ പിന്നെ വെള്ളം 2 നിലയിലും വെള്ളം കയറി. ഞങ്ങൾ അടുത്ത വീട്ടിൽ വന്ന 2 നിലയിൽ കയറിയിരുന്നു. ഞങ്ങളുടെ സാധനങ്ങൾ മുഴുവനും വെള്ളത്തിലായി പിന്നെ നശിച്ചു പോയി.
സ്റ്റെയർ കേസിലോട്ട് വെള്ളം കയറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. കണ്ടല്ലോ, പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുക.
Kerala believes the 123-year-old dam is unstable, and the higher its water level, the higher the danger of it collapsing. Besides, it's after that if the dam doesn't release some water now, it might be forced to disgorge a huge amount of water, and of course worsening the flood situation. And many in Kerala have alleged Tamil Nadu is refusing to comply because it wants to prove the dam is safe even with a water level of 142 feet, a level sanctioned by an earlier court decision. Vijayan has ordered the police to arrest rumor mongers, and some of whom have been spreading stories about alleged cracks in the dam. Vijayan had wanted everybody rescued by Friday, but the swelling floodwaters hampered the operations in many areas. Bureau Report, ABC News, agtlive.